on Millennium TV, Channel 95 on the Talkster Decoders, and on Facebook it is Millennium TV Zambia. Gladly join the conversation and comment on the biggest news stories because why not? Definitely be part of the conversation. But as I mentioned that every Monday we do have a stock market update with Lucy to just listen and see how the market performed. If you were trading, if I was trading, definitely I was trading. Was I trading? Grace.
I hope you were. It was a good week.
Yeah, it was a good week. Grace, good morning. How are you?
Morning. I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm better. It's a Monday. I used to hate Mondays, but I love Monday.
No. It's Money Monday.
Money Monday, definitely. Well, Grace, just take us through the numbers and how did the market really perform?
Okay, so it was actually a positive week. We had our all-share index closing at 27,148.08, up from the previous week of 27,021.57. Trading activity improved significantly. We had a rather short week. You know, we had Women's Day, we had Youth Week.
Yeah, it was like a short
So now we're back, and the market recorded a total of 1,930 trades, resulting in a total turnover of 11,308,035 kwacha, 16 ingwe. This was mainly split between retail investors, who accounted for 5,995,874 kwacha and 3 ingwe, while institutional investors contributed about 5,312,161 kwacha and 13 ingwe. As far as the stocks, there were quite a few movements. Zanaco recorded the highest number of trades with 362, and I hope you jumped in on it.
Yeah.
And then followed by CEC with 273 trades and Zambif with 163 trades. So by value, Airtel was leading the pack last week with 4,784,373 kwacha and 25 ngwe worth of trades, followed by Copperbelt Energy with 1,521,503 kwacha, 60 ngwe, and Zambif recorded 1,297,505 kwacha and 74 ngwe. On the price movement front, Airtel recorded the largest gain, led the pack, rising by 18 kwacha, 21 ngwe, and closed at 160 kwacha per share. Rise USD also advanced by 0.01 kwacha to close at 0.09 kwacha. On the downside, British American Tobacco declined by 1 kwacha, 26 ngwe, to close at 12 kwacha, 99 ngwe per share. Zamefa lost 3 kwacha, 95 ngwe, to close at 55 kwacha per share. Puma also had a slight decrease of 18 ngwe. Zanaco shed 20 ngwe. And then Copperbelt Energy, Stanchart, CEC Africa, and .com Zambia also recorded marginal losses during the week. The rest of the listed securities traded unchanged. So overall, the market recorded 2 gainers, 9 losers, and 13 counters that remained unchanged. And that was the summary of the week.
Indeed. Interesting. Well, let's just walk down the memory lane. We were celebrating the Financial Literacy Week.
Yeah.
How was it with Lucy? How did you celebrate, commemorate the Literacy Week?
Oh, we were busy.
Yeah?
We were really busy.
Yeah.
We had 3 public lectures. So we were at Unza, Cavendish, and we took the first trip to Kabwe as the Luce. We were at Mulungushi University. And our CEO was part of an Economic Outlook webinar. And then we also had a few investor education campaigns on social media. And it really was a busy week. We were on Sanis as well, just talking about money matters. And we were boots on the ground last week.
It was smart money talks.
Yeah.
Indeed. And how was the response from, just the audience when you were just actually having those lectures?
I think it's really important to get the youth involved, and that's why we really focused on them. When you look at the share prices, a lot of them are quite manageable. 20 kwacha here, 10 kwacha here. So why not start your investor journey? And we saw quite a few of our students, we'll call them that, downloading the app, getting activated. It was really exciting. Yeah.
Indeed. Interesting. Well, Grace, thank you so much for actually making time to be with us Monday. Of course, I thought, she will be coming up, but I was like, it's Grace. Yes, it's Grace. Okay. But thank you so much for giving us the statistics and how the market really moved. It's really insightful.
Yeah. Thank you so much for having us.
Indeed. Well, it has been the Lucy Stock Market Update right here on Millennium TV, and that was Grace Soko just giving us how the market really performed, the gains, the losses here and there. But after the break, I'll be back with the Story Pick segment. So stay tuned as we will be talking about the stories that, the biggest news stories that we are having today. So be part of the conversation. Gear up your talk times because you'll be ready to call us up or even just commenting on Facebook. Stay tuned. I'll be back with the Story Pick segment.